Hello student, the question which we are going to solve today is write a program to accept any number below 10,000 and display the amount to be added to it to make the biggest number having same number of digits as of the number given as input. Use if-else ladder to solve the problem. Now the important parts of the question that has been marked in red color, you can see accept any number below 10,000. So the first checking that we need to have is that the number should be less than 10,000. Whatever number we are taking, it should be less than 10,000. So within that you can say furthermore, display the amount to be added to it to make the biggest number having same number of digits as of the given number as input. So basically below 10,000, then you can see it says about the digits of the number given as input. So you need to check within which range it comes. It will come under various range, that is the number can be a 4-digit number if it is greater than equals to 1000. Now you know this is the logical representation of AND operator, and it is less than, you can write 10,000. So it's a 4-digit number. I get to know if it is within this range, then it's a 4-digit number. Then you have the next range that will come is it should be greater than equals to 100, and it is less than 1000. Then we know that it is a 3-digit number. Now in the same way you can see if it is same way greater than 10, and it is less than 100, then it is a 2-digit number. Now you can see I have segregated into different parts by the checking that I have to specify, and if it is, you can simply write over here, otherwise you can mention greater than equals to 0, and if the number is less than 10, then it is a 1-digit number. So this is my logic. The number that will be entered should lie within this range. Now let us say, for example, the user gives the number to be 678. Now 678 will come within the range of 100 to 1000. So what I need to do over here, it will come in this range. So now it says that biggest number having the same number of digits to make the biggest number. What is the biggest number in the 3-digit number? It is 99. So how to get it? That has to be added. As you know, I will simply then write over here that the number that has to be added, let us say it should be 999 minus the number we have over here 678. So I'll save the difference of 999 and 678. So the number that has to be added to 678 to form the biggest number having the same number of digits. 678 has how many digits? It has 3 digits, and the greatest 3 digit is what? It is 999. That is why I find the difference of 999 from 678. So that number, when it will be added, I will get the highest number, that is 999. Same way, let us say you can take a number, let's say we'll say it's 78. So 78 is a 2-digit number. It will come in this range. So now, so what I'll do, the biggest 2-digit number is 99. Simple 99. So I'll write over here difference of 99 and 78 will be the number that has to be added to 78 to form the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. So now let us go to write a program. How do we write a program? First we define a class. Let us say I give it the number name, class name I specify as digit. Now when I open it, my editor window will open. Now you can see this is my editor window. Here I have already written the statement for accepting a number. Now you know how to use the scanner class and the statements that are required. So I just mention over here that enter a number. So the user can give any number. Now as I had defined the logic, according to that I will write my first checking. If the number that I have entered, n, is it less than 10,000 or not? Because my question says that I have to accept a number below 10,000. So I start my if statement. If it is less than 10,000, then my first checking will be there. If the number is greater than equals to 1,000 and the number is less than equals to, or else you can write less than 10,000 also. If you write less than equals to, then you have to specify 9,999. Otherwise, if you are writing only less than, then you have to specify that to be your 10,000. Then I write, so it is, I know it's a 3-digit number. So what I need to do, what is the number? I will take another variable over here. Let's say I'll take it as int m. So the number to be added to form the greatest 4-digit number, I will save over here, that is m equals to 9,999 minus the number that I have entered. The next checking will be else. If it is not true, then it will go for the next checking, that is else. If it is not a 4-digit number, my checking will be if the number is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number I can check by writing if it is greater than equals to 100 and it is same thing. Over here, let's see, I'll write less than equals to 999. Now you can see earlier I had written only less than, that is why I specified 10,000. If you write equals to, then you have to write 999. Otherwise, you can also write in the same way. If you don't write equals to, it can be 10,000. So now it's a three number. So how to find the number to be added to form the highest 3-digit number? Same procedure. M equals to, here it will become 999 minus n. Now, if this is not true, now we have already checked it is not a 4-digit number, it is not a 3-digit number. Then again I'll write else, because the question had asked to write in if else ladder. That is why I'm using this. Otherwise, you can write only multiple if also. So I'll write again, I start with my, it is always good to give indentation so that it becomes clear for you. So now I check for 2-digit number. If n is greater than equals to 10 and n is less than equals to or less than 100, in the same way it goes on, m equals to 99 minus n. Again I specify else. If that is also not true, if it is, the number is greater than 0 and the number is less than 10, then it's a single digit number. So I'll check that m equals to n minus n. So I've got the series for my, you can see over here it is for my 4-digit number, this part is for my 3-digit number, this part is for my 2-digit number, and this is for my 1-digit number. So I've written all my conditions. Now I will end it with my braces. Now you can see automatically when I go on braces, one block is getting closed. So you can see it already shows that. Okay, here by mistake I had written else because it belongs to within this if block. So you can see over here I finished with my if block. So for this if block, all these statements were within this if block. Next, if it is, so if it is not less than 10,000, that is not the number that is should be entered. So for this, I'll write the else. It will prompt to the user system dot out dot println you have entered the wrong number. And then outside I can print over here system dot out dot println the number to be added to, using the concatenation operator I put the variable n plus is equals to plus m. Now I have already checked what is that number to be printed, so I specify over here. So now you can see I have, according to my logic, I have designed my program. So now I compile it. Okay, here I have some extra braces have come. Okay, so when I compile it, it will show to me no syntax error. So now I'll go for execution of the program. I am executing it. Now you can see the terminal window. In the terminal window, I enter the number. Let's say I enter 678. It's a 3-digit number. So it shows to me the number to be added to 678 is equals to 321. So that it forms the biggest digit. You can add and see. It will form the biggest digit 999, which is the biggest 3-digit number. We will run it once again. Let's say now we will give a negative number, or you can so you can see, suppose I give a number, let's say more than 10,000, 99999. So it will show to me the output, you have entered the wrong number. The number to be added to 909 is 0. So this is how this program will be done. Again, I show you the program and you can see the logic that we had discussed previously side by side. So you can see this is the program that we have written. First we have specified the class, then we are accepting the number from the user, then I'm checking that whether that number is less than 10,000. If it is less than 10,000, then it goes into that if block where I first check whether it is a 4-digit number or not. If it is 4-digit number, then you can see I am deducting that number from the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9,999. Else we check for 3-digit number. Similar way, we deduct that number from 999 to see that how much has to be added to form the biggest 3-digit number, and gradually for 2-digit and for 1-digit. And at the number end, we print if the number is not less than 10,000, then it will print you have entered the wrong number. Outside, the number to be added to the end to form the biggest that digit number, we are printing the variable m. So this is how to solve this program. Hope you understand it.